Welcome. My name is Thomas. Here to share in this video a direct payment digital product opportunity. I'm here to talk to the person that's looking to start an online business to generate extra income, who's new to this, who's not sure what that's going to take, what it's going to look like, and what they need to be doing. That's who I specialize in working with, the new person, regardless of what industry, what niche, what category you want to get started in. If you're looking to do online business, I'm here to help point you in the right direction and get you started in the right way through first educating you first on what that looks like and what that's going to take. Number two, my marketing message has changed and shifted to be all inclusive to helping a specific group of people who are looking to start their online journey by making money online, who don't know how to do it, who not sure what it looks like, who not sure what that's going to take, who wants leadership, guidance, support, training, and direction, and accountability. If that's you, this video is talking to you. Also, I'm looking and talking to the person who don't have a product or service of their own, but they want to do something that they can believe in, that they can promote on a consistent and everyday basis that's going to position them to make life-changing income. If this is you, this video is for you as well. So these two opportunities combine a total of $610 investment, because see, when you position yourself, you want to position yourself at the highest return possible. And the way to do that is to invest in both of them for a total of $610, because the $500 investment is just that, $500. The $110 investment is a digital daily blueprint that's going to give you some information and some resources that's going to help you in your online efforts. The digital marketing educational course is going to give you everything you need to have to be able to build out an online business for yourself. And so that's why you want to leverage both of them. You want to get all in with both, because you're going to run across people who might want to just try out the $100 opportunity versus the $5, and vice versa. You might have some people who won't get all in like you did. You know what I'm saying? So you want to position yourself in a way where you can make the max on this opportunity. And this opportunity here is worth way more than what we're charging for, because there's some courses out here that cost way more than what we charge with less value. And so that's the reality of it all. You want to invest in a product that's going to have knowledge, skills, and value in it that's going to help teach you something that if you decide not to resell it as your own product, it will still help you get a result. And this is what I'm talking about. This digital educational course for one-time investment of $500 will help you do that. This $110 investment of the daily paid blueprint will also help you do that. My mentoring coach, Steph Perez, is who I've been under for years, who helped me on my journey. I first came online in 2013 to bring my brick and mortar tax preparation business online, because out of all the years of being in this industry of tax preparation, I had made no money from my online presence, because at the time I didn't really realize having an online presence was a thing, or it just wasn't meant for me to come to that conclusion at the time. And so as time went on, it came to me that, hey, I want to make enough money from online marketing. And so that was the reason why I came online, was to bring my brick and mortar tax preparation business to the online space. And as a result of that, I've shifted and changed and brought my own digital products to the marketplace. I have my own mentorship and coaching program for new tax professionals who are looking to get started. And so what I'm doing as I keep moving and growing and becoming the person I'm looking to become and get the type of success I want to get through investing in me through digital educational marketing training courses, investing in mentorship and coaching, which is a investment that's definitely paying off big time for me, because there's a lot of things that I knew I didn't know that I know I had to invest in to learn how to know, and this is one of them. And so you want to be able to invest in both of these if you can, and if you can't, you know what I'm saying, if I had to choose one versus the other, I'm going to pick the high price, one-time $500 investment, because this digital marketing course is going to give you everything you need for as education that's going to help you acquire knowledge and skills that's going to help you in your online journey. So that's what I would go with if I had to choose between both. Now, if I can do both, I'm going to get all in like I did, where I can maximize my potential income by making $600 a month, regardless if it's $100 a sale and a $500 sale, it still adds up to $6. And so that's the position I'm in through my marketing message and the targeted audience I'm going to work with is how that works. And so you'll get to learn about all these different things that you don't have a clue about right now, because you're going to have somebody on your team that's going to guide you, support you, train you, educate you, give you realistic expectations on what that's going to take, what that's going to look like. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, because I'm not here to be your cheerleader. I'm here to give you what you need and not what you want. Because what you want versus what you need won't help you in business. It won't get you the success you want to have. So I'm here to give it to you real. I'm here to be your support center that's going to help you shortcut your success, because you don't have to figure it out on your own. That's not a marketing strategy. That's not a marketing method that works. So in order to help you fast track your success and take a shortcut, you want to try to connect with someone that you know, like, and trust, who you believe in, who you feel good about, who you feel that can actually deliver a promise of helping you get started in the right direction and helping you get some type of success financially. But you have to do the work. There's work involved. This ain't no get rich quick scam or scheme or Ponzi or none of that. This is a true blue business model, and we're going to treat it like that. And we're going to set you up as a true blue business with all the credentials and paperwork needed that's going to have you reflect that that's what you are. You're a business, and you conduct business in that way. And so that's the mindset we want to acquire if you don't already have it. The mindset shift you need to have when it comes to being successful that may be blocking you from getting started. You want to be able to have those things removed out of your life so you can move forward. Because there's some things about us that blocks us from being successful in life in general. We want to relieve you of that. And how do we do that? Is it to educate you and to show you that you need to see it differently. You need to be able to change your perspective on how you see what's blocking you from being all you can be in your life. And so when it comes to being successful, success leaves clues. Success doesn't happen by accident. Success doesn't happen by circumstance. Success doesn't happen by dumb luck. It's strategic, intentional, daily strategies and plans that we implement and put together that's going to help us get the success we want to have. And so that's the beauty of doing what we're doing, where we're not trying to figure this out because we connected with someone that we know, like, and trust, that we believe in, that can help us on our journey to getting started in the right way. Go educate. I leave with education first, because see, I got to educate you, to put you up on what you don't know, to try to get you to see it in a way that's going to help you be able to make it. And so that's my challenge and my responsibility as a leader, as an entrepreneur, and a business owner, is to be able to help you see it in the way you need to see it. That's going to help you get a foundation where you're going to show up each and every day inside your business. You're going to implement this training. You're going to implement this investment that you made for yourself that's going to help you make the type of income you want to make so you can live the type of lifestyle you want to live for you and your family. Because I'm going to hold you to what you told me about what you wanted to do and what you wanted to accomplish when it came to why you started your online journey in the first place. What I'm trying to do and what I'm about is bigger than my fear of being in front of the camera. It's bigger than me being an introvert. It's bigger than all the things that try to stop me and block me from being successful. Because I believe in what I'm doing. I believe in the cause. I believe in helping others get a result. I believe in helping others get somewhere that they can't get on their own. And that's what I do with that. So if you need the training and support and accountability and all of the things that go along with mentorship and coaching, then take a look at this opportunity. The description of this video going to have a link that's going to take you to both of them. It's going to be on one page, one for the $100 investment, $110 altogether, the other for $5. If you can get all in, I would position yourself to get all in, invest in both of them. That way, like I said, you're going to have some people who are going to invest in the $100. You're going to have some people who invest in the $5. So altogether, that's $600 a month. If you don't do it but one sale a month, for out of each one, that's $600 a month. You know what I'm saying? I can't make no income claims by law. I just know you got to show up and do the work. I just know you got to show up and invest in you by learning the things you need to learn, implement the things you need to implement to get the results you say you want to get. That takes work. dedication, commitment, discipline, determination, focus, all those things have to come together that help you get what you need to get, and you got somebody that's going to help you, guide you, show you, educate you, motivate you, make you aware of things you weren't even sure about that even existed, and get to the root cause of what may be blocking you and stopping you from being able to succeed in your overall life. We help people solve problems. We help people get to their desires. We help people accomplish all type of things. And that's the power of working with someone and not trying to figure this out on your own, because we know figuring it out is not a strategy. Figuring it out is not reliable. Figuring it out has no true timeline on what that's going to take. Figuring it out has caused hundreds of thousands of people to quit because they didn't have what it takes. Because up in here, trying to figure it out was too frustrating. It took too long. Didn't know when it was going to take for their breakthrough to make itself known. And not knowing how long it was going to take to be successful, because the figure it out method doesn't hold a true strategy to help you succeed, is why you want to implement investing in yourself, taking a shortcut, connecting with somebody online who you trust and believe in, who has your best interest at heart, that's going to be able to help you make it happen. Give you a couple of pointers. Reach out to that person. Talk to that person. If you got any questions, concerns, that's the time to bring them up. If they can't answer those to your satisfaction with confidence, look at that as a red flag, even with myself. Because some days are better than others for me when it comes to talking with people where I might not come off as confident as I want to be. And so you have to read that and see for what that really is. Is that just me being a little nervous for whatever reason? Is that just me not being true to who I am or what I say I can do? You have to determine that. You got to decide that. You have to hold yourself accountable for your actions and what you allow to happen to you when it comes to you being online, trying to find someone to work with that's going to help you succeed in this online journey. My background and what I do when it comes to my ministry coaching program is going to play a bonus role for you when it comes to helping you set up your business with the right paperwork you need to have. Once you start to make money and file taxes, I'm going to be able to help you point you in the right direction on what that looks like and what that's going to take. And from there, you can go find someone that's close proximity to you that you want to work with, if it's not me, which is fine. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with others. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next video.